The Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro images of the two have been leaked online as a TikTok user shared a hands-on review video of the phone lineup. Design and display. Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Both the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro are designed in a sleek, modern manner. Xiaomi is expected to deliver new Xiaomi T series smartphones later this month. A listing on Shopee Philippines has revealed Xiaomi's plans to launch new products on September 26th. It's speculated to launch as the global version of the Redmi K70 Ultra. The phones are said to be offered in three colorways: titanium black, titanium gray, and titanium blue. The Xiaomi 14T Pro has in fact just been spotted in the Geekbench online database using MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus SoC. It's managed to score 9,369 in the single-core round and 26,083 in the multi-core round. The phone will run on Android 14 OS out of the box and pack 12GB RAM. 14T Pro also receives tdra and NBTC certification. Xiaomi 14T Pro feature a 6.67-inch 144Hz OLED display with 1.5K resolution and 1600 nits of nominal brightness and 4000 nits of peak brightness. The Xiaomi 14T Pro will get a 50-megapixel Omnivision OV50H primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Xiaomi 14T Pro is a 5500 mAh battery with 120W charging support. Xiaomi 14T Pro price also leaks. 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage will be priced at €899. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.